Hello there, viewers. Today we're gonna try and do something that I haven't able to found on YouTube or any other place for that matter. I'm gonna try to take the MMI screen out from an Audi A5 Sportback 2013 UK version. So from my understanding is that this is in there through 4 clips. I'm going to try and pull that out, and then there's 2 T something Torx screws in either side, and that should come out. The reason I'm doing this is because the screen has some damage on it from the anti-glare film. Someone has used some sort of chemicals to clean it off, and it damaged the anti-glare, and it looks really bad. Let me see if I can show you. Oh yes, you can definitely see that. And in this video I'm going to show you how to take the MMI screen out, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to clean the screen. Okay, so let's see. So this is a first for me as well, so if I break anything, you guys are going to be witnesses to my mistakes. And also the chemicals are bought to clean the screen. There's actually a recommendation as well, so I'm not sure if that's gonna work either. There you go. So there's 4 screws. You take the this out. There's the connection for the hazard lights, and that's out. It's very interesting the way they put this all around to protect it from dust. Right, now I'm gonna go find some screws to unscrew this. I have a 22 or 24 set from Halfords, and it comes with this, which gives me a range of Torx screws. So I'm gonna use this nifty little thing to find out what number that is. I'm gonna use a 25. Let's see. 25 too big? Is it too small? Feels too big. 25 too big. Let's go down to 20. Let's have a look. Yes, there you go. So we're gonna take all 4 screws out, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, so I just took the screws out. So let's try and pop this out, see what's gonna happen. So as I said, I've never done this before, so I'm learning as I go. Okay, that looks like it needs to be out, as well as this, but I have no idea how to take this out. That must be the radio antenna. It's a bit stubborn on me. Let me try to figure this out, and I'll be back with you guys. So the easiest way to take the radio antenna out is to have something to pry it with. Just push against. There you go. And that is the MMI screen, which we will try and fix.